Hi, my name is Krishna Mohan, a graduate of the postgraduate program in Business Analytics and Business Intelligence from Great Lakes. And today I'm a senior manager, technology at Thomson Reuters here in Bangalore. However, with the world changing, I have to reskill myself. It was at this time that Great Lakes started their PGP-BABI, or the Business Analytics and Business Intelligence program here in Bangalore. I enrolled for this first batch. Now, the question becomes, how do I further enhance the learning? This is where I figured the best thing to do is help my fellow students, those who go through similar programs, those who are in similar situations. I started teaching or became a faculty within the Great Lakes community. And today I teach several programs or courses that not only helps the fellow students, but also helps me to get much deeper understanding within the subject. I'm glad that I got to be involved, and I look forward to be continuously involved in this learning process, because learning never stops.